Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Today, I am drinking black coffee out of my llama cup. Alpaca, llama, who knows? I can't really tell the difference. Yeah, it's good. First sip of the day, always good. Okay, so in today's video, and I'd like to say thank you guys for joining in and checking to see what crochet items I've got on my hook this week. So let me show you what I've got. All right, first of all, it's my bee. I got the little arms and the little legs on, and all I have left is the big wing, the little wing, and the stinger, and my little bee will be complete. And I have no idea why, but I just think this is just the cutest, funniest looking bee I've ever seen. And when I saw this in the book, I just had to make it for myself. But let me show you the book. I did show the books yesterday. I showed book 1 and 2. Well, today I'm only going to show you the one book, or what he looks like in it, and the hook and the yarn. Well, I'm not showing the yarn. The yarn's in my workspace. So I can at least show you the book. It's Peekapoo 2 that I'm working out of. I'm using a 2.75 millimeter crochet hook right here. My daughter did order these for me and surprised me with them. She got them from Amazon, and I can leave the link below for you if you guys are interested in these little mermaid hooks. They really are cute. So thank you, Jennifer, for these. I guess she sent these to me a few months ago, and I've really been enjoying them. But here we are. Here's the bee. Let's see. Yeah, that's him. Or her. I don't know. It's got pink shoes on, pink wings. But I just think it's adorable. And when I saw this from the book, I just knew that I had to have it. Let me see if I can show a picture. Okay, here's the back side. So you can kind of see the wings and the little stinger back there. Really cool, isn't it? So I will leave the link below for these for you guys. And let's see. This is the other one that I'm making for my yarn room. This bee is staying in this yarn room with me. Well, here's the second thing I'm making for my yarn room. You know, he's adorable. The other thing that I did make is, I made this one, I guess, last year. All right. You guys remember my sloth? This is what I made a little over a year ago for my yarn room. And he is made from these same Peekapoo books. Isn't it neat? And the hat comes off. It's just adorable. So I'm supposed to be making one of these for my grandson, but I haven't done it yet. I've had the yarn set out probably right after I made this one, and I have not made his yet. So I really need to get hot on that. So I might as well make my granddaughter one too now, right? And then make a little boy and girl one. But anyway, this is my little sloth, and I just love this little guy. Just love him. Or her. Whatever. Oh, and if you didn't see yesterday's video, she is made from the same Peekapoo book. Right here. She's just a darling. She's got a big head. But she's cute. And a cute little tail. They had the tail white. And I changed it to a dark color. But I don't think it really matters. Okay, so the yarns that I used. I just used scrap yarn that I have. Some have labels, some don't, but it's all medium 4-weight yarn that I've used in these little characters here. The other thing is that I was going to show you guys yesterday is I've been working on the food, the breakfast foods out of the Amigurumi Eats book. Let's see. Let me show you that book. Amigurumi Eats. This is also a book from my daughter that she bought. And I'll leave the link below for this one as well. And I believe this is a 3.25 millimeter hook that all these are being made of. So the reason I wanted to show this to you is because when you get to the toast, right here, just move the bacon. All right, the toast is the last thing that I made. They have you to take like a marker, a permanent marker, and like mark this like jelly on it. And I was like, well, no, I'm not going to do that. So what I did, and I want to show you guys, here's what they have you to do. Just, well, I have it on that side too. A plain one, and then take a marker and color this in. What I did is I did one, since you're working in the rows going back and forth like this, I went ahead and did one row in the cream, one stitch in the cream, and then all these in the purple, and then ended with one stitch, and then one stitch in the cream, all purple, and one stitch. And I just kept doing that all the way till I got to the last row, because this, let's see, I guess it does have the, then you have the crust row, but as far as the bread. So when I got to this last one, I just did cream all the way across, and then you trim it, go around it in this crust look, and then you make another one, and then you just slip stitch, seam them together all the way around. That's how easy it is. But if you're interested in this and you want to make the jelly and you don't have a magic marker like me, then that's how you fix that problem. So I hope that tip is very helpful for you if you have this book. Okay, so the very next thing that is on my hook is my daughter wanted a little baby turban hat for her little girl. Well, I made this one and realized it's too big for a 5-pound baby. So I'm in the process of making another one. And this is what I've got so far. I did try this on when she was over here the other day, and it is fitting her. So I'm on the right track. I just got a couple more rows, and then do the little cinch, and she'll have a little turban hat. So it's very cute. And I am using a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook to make these little turban hats. And I'm using this mega ball from Hobie, and it's We Love Yarn mega ball. There is over 1,000 yards in this, I believe. It's a 3 light, 100% acrylic. The color is 416 if you like this color. I mean, look at that. It's huge. And I got these when they had a really good sale. And I think I ended up buying, well, I bought every color they had. I don't know. I had to go to their website to look to see how many colors they have in this. But I probably bought about 20 of these. And I'm so glad, because this really comes in handy in a lot of projects, these. Okay, 1,312 yards, guys. That's a lot of yarn. You can make a lot of baby blankets, a lot of baby hats, and amigurumis, and whatever. Just go to town with it. I mean, I have yellows, I have blues, I have purples, pinks, whites, grays, black, all of it. And I wanted to show this off for you guys. This is what Michelle made. This is the placemat and the washcloth from the Crochet Foundry magazine. And Michelle, I just want to say thank you so much for sharing this with us. You did a wonderful job. It is just beautiful. And here we have Terry. She made this winter outfit, one of my crochet doll patterns, and I love this. This is one of my favorite patterns, and I just love the colors that you chose for that, Terry. Thank you so much for making my pattern. I appreciate it. I will be sure and leave the links below for you guys. I've received several emails from you guys this week and over the weekend, and I just love the emails, so thank you guys for sending them. One of them is Christina. She sent me, and I like when you do this, Darla from Crafty Yarn Out with Darla. Thank you, Darla. She does have a YouTube channel. I'll leave her link below as well. She has been sending me little cute amigurumi things, and stuff that she knows that I would like, that would be good for me to do. Because my personality and and the way I run my channel and things. And so Darla, I appreciate that very much. But she's been sending me some little things that she thinks that I would be good at. Well, Christina sent me something the other day, and I will try to include a picture here, and it is a racetrack rug to go with Knox's racetrack blanket. that I made him for Christmas. So what do you guys think? I'm so excited, and it just takes Caron yarn. So the next time I get to Joann's, I'm going to grab that and make that rug for him. I mean, it is gorgeous. It's going to go great with that blanket. Oh yes, and Cynthia won my giveaway, the last one that I had. Congratulations, Cynthia, by the way. And she has been emailing me back and forth. We have, and seems like a very nice lady through the emails, and I appreciate you, Cynthia. Well, she has already made a blanket with the yarn that she won from me. So let me include that in right here. She did an awesome job, and she's so fast. Now, she did have to incorporate a couple other colors of yarn to go with it, you know, because it wasn't quite enough to make a full Afghan, you know, the size that she would want. But I think she did a wonderful job, and I love the color addition. So thank you, Cynthia, and thank you, Christina, and thank you, Darla, for the emails. I appreciate them very much. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotional. Sitting with sinners. Go and learn what this means. I desire mercy, not sacrifice, for I have come to call not the righteous, but sinners. Matthew 9:13. Have you ever felt like you haven't been getting recognition for all the work you have done, either in your job or at home? Have there been times when you have seen other people acknowledged for doing seemingly little? Hard work without appreciation can seem very unfair. Imagine then how those Pharisees felt when Jesus chose to sit with the sinners. They were bothered by the fact that Jesus was spending time with the unrighteous when they had devoted their whole lives to obeying and working under the law. Jesus responded by saying, "We don't earn forgiveness, rather we receive it as a gift." We are all sinners, and yet Jesus chooses to sit with us because he wants to show us mercy. Sit with him and freely receive it. Lord Jesus, I know that I am a sinner before you, and yet I thank you that you have chosen to sit with me here and now, offering your grace and mercy. I receive your forgiveness as a gift, knowing that it is not what I do that makes you accept me. Help me to be more merciful to others as you have been to me. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking time out to listen to that, and enjoy your word of the day. Well, guys, that's all that I have for today's video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.